In this video, I'll detail how to enable always listen for Siri on iPhone on iOS 18. So if your phone screen is facing down just like this, you can turn on always listen for Siri on your iPhone so that when you say "Hey Siri" or you press and hold the set button, your iPhone Siri will be pop. See that? So here I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable always listen for Siri on iPhone on iOS 18. If you found this video useful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first one to do here is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and select accessibility. Then scroll down until you get to general. Under general, locate Siri and click on that. Once you selected Siri, just scroll down and make sure you turn on listen for Siri or Hey Siri when your phone is facing down or covered. So if your phone screen is covered or your phone is facing down, you will be able to communicate with Siri by enabling always listen for Siri on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.